Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Welcome to installment number 2 of how to make the Hollywood system work for you to sell your experimental films. So next, what you want to do is go into the City Hall and create yourself a business license. Make sure you have a business name for them to print on the license. It shouldn't cost very much, anywhere from 10 to 50 bucks, I suppose, maybe a little bit more. Go to the bank and create yourself a business banking account. This will be for tax purposes. At home, on your desk, have some large envelopes, and those will contain receipts that you'll put into them. On the outside with black magic marker, you want to put the month and the year for all those receipts to turn into the tax man. Then go to your primary elementary schools, children's theaters, and universities and see if they'll back this or even fund it to a good point and show the films in the schools. This would be a way for your film to get marketed right there, to be able to show to the students. All right? Your investors, as before in part 1, they will fund for the film and whatever type of talent and whatever type of equipment you'll need. And concerning equipment, if you believe and you find out that you're going to be doing this for a long time, if you find out rather through investors, more importantly, you're going to be doing this for a long time, it's better to own your own equipment than it is to rent. This will save in production cost and keep the filming and production low and to a minimum. So, if you're going to do something like investing in Bolex cameras 8 and 16 millimeter, 16 more likely, you also want to make sure that you have a good and reputable repair person at hand. If you are in a country such as myself in the Philippines, in an area where there are no repair people, then you have to become the service person. All right? You have to become accustomed to small and micro springs, screws, and parts, and all that type of a thing. So, this is what you really have to put up with. And believe me, it can work. If you think that it cannot work for experimental films, think again. Even George Lucas, here again, he started out in experimental cinema. And even when he made his first film, American Graffiti, it was shelved because the producers didn't like it at all. So what does that tell you? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy, and sell group. Do join Avant-Garde Films Philippines and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Do wait for another installment of this series. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.